Hello, once again you are welcome to my channel. Okay, so today let's solve this question. Given that cos x is equal to 3 over 5 with the angle 0 degrees less than x less than 90 degrees, calculate without using mathematical table or calculators. 3 tan x over 2 sine x plus 3 cos x. So please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's move on with the solution. So we have cos x equals 3 over 5 with the angles 0 degrees less than x less than 90 degrees. 0 degrees less than x less than 90 degrees. It means the triangle is going to be a right angle triangle. Okay, the triangle is going to be a right angle triangle because we have 0 degrees less than x less than 90 degrees. Okay, so the type of triangle that we're going to work with is going to be a right angle triangle. Okay, so there we have the right angle triangle. All right, so cos x is equal to what? 3 over 5. So when we put x here as the angle or theta, then it means the down side here is going to be adjacent. This side is going to be what? The opposite. And then the sloping side is going to be what? Hypotenuse. Okay, when we put x here as the angle or the theta, then it means this side is going to be what? The opposite. The down side is going to be the adjacent, and then the sloping side is going to be the hypotenuse. Okay, please take note of this. All right, so we have cos x equals 3 over 5. Cos x equals 3 over 5. And cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse. So that means 3 here is the adjacent, and then 5 here is what? The hypotenuse. Okay, cos x equals 3 over 5, and cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. So if cos x is equal to 3 over 5, then that means 3 is the adjacent and then 5 is the hypotenuse. Okay, so we have 3 to be the adjacent and then 5 to be the hypotenuse. I hope you understand. Okay, so let's name the opposite side to be what? Y. I hope you are following it. All right, so we are to calculate for what? 3 tan x over 2 sine x plus 3 cos x. 3 tan x over 2 sine x plus 3 cos x without using tables or calculators. I hope you understand. Okay, so let's move on. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right, so let's continue. So from the diagram, y is equal to what? The square root of what? 5 square minus 3 square. That is by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, y equals the square root of 5 square minus 3 square, and the square root of 5 square minus 3 square is going to be what? 4. So now we have the side, which is the opposite side, to be what? 4. The adjacent is what? 3. The hypotenuse is what? 5. And now the opposite, y, is what? 4. I hope you are following it. Okay, so tan x is going to be 4 over 3. Tan x is going to be what? 4 over 3. That is the opposite over the adjacent. Okay, opposite over the adjacent, because tan theta is what? Opposite over adjacent. So tan x is going to be 4 over 3. Y, which is 4 over 3, opposite over adjacent. I hope you understand. All right, so let's move on. And then sine x is also going to be 4 over 5. 4 over 5. That is the opposite over the hypotenuse. 4 over 5. I hope you understand. We have solved for the side y, which is the opposite, and it's what? 4. So sine x is equal to 4 over 5. That is the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse side. So 4 over 5. So we have tan x to be 4 over 3, and then sine x to be what? 4 over 5. I hope you understand. So let's continue. So from the question, we are to calculate 3 tan x over 2 sine x plus 3 cos x. And we have tan x to be what? 4 over 3. We have sine x to be 4 over 5. And then we have cos x to be 3 over 5. So let's substitute these values into this expression. Okay, so we have 3 multiplying 4 over 3. 4 over 3 is what? Tan x. Tan x is what? 4 over 3. So 3 tan x is what? 3 multiplying 4 over 3 divided by 2 multiplying 4 over 5. 4 over 5 is what? Sine x. Sine x is what? 4 over 5. So 2 sine x is what? 2 multiplying 4 over 5 plus 3 multiplying 3 over 5. 3 over 5 is what? Cos x. 3 over 5 is cos x. Okay, so 3 cos x is what? 3 multiplying what? 3 over 5. I hope you understand. So let's continue. So this 3 cancels this 3. Okay, we are to multiply 3 by 4 over 3. So we just cancel this 3 by this 3. So we'll be left with what? 4. I hope you understand. Over. Now 2 multiplies 4 to be 8 over 5. 2 multiplies 4 to be 8 over 5. So we have what? 8 over 5. Plus. Now 3 multiplies 3 to be 9 over 5. So we have 9 over 5. So let's simplify this denominator part. That is by adding 8 over 5 plus 9 over 5. So we have 8 over 5 plus 9 over 5. And we do that by finding the LCM, which is what? 5. So 5 goes into 5, 1. 1 multiplies 8 to what? 8. Plus 5 goes into 5, 1. 1 multiplies 9 to what? 9. So 8 plus 9 is going to give us what? 17 over 5. So adding 8 over 5 plus 9 over 5, we got what? 17 over 5. So we now have 4 over 17 over 5. I hope you understand. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Alright, so let's continue. So now we are going to divide 4 by 17 over 5. Alright, so we have 4 times 5 over 17. 4 times 5 over 17. And that is going to give us what? 20 over 17. When we multiply 4 times 5 over 17, we are going to get what? 20 over 17. Which is going to give us a final answer of what? 1 whole number, 3 over 17. So to solve 3 tan x over 2 sine x plus 3 cos x without using tables or calculators, our answer is going to be 20 over 17 or 1 whole number, 3 over 17. Thank you so much for watching.